In this video, we listed the 5 best MIG welders on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HITBOX Synergy MIG Welder. The HITBOX HBM 1200 inverter offers a versatile 3-in-1 MIG welding functionality including MIG, MMA, and lift TIG, increasing work efficiency by 40% compared to traditional ARC molding machines. With power settings and adjustable wire feed speed, the welder provides excellent welding characteristics suitable for 0.8 to 4.0 mm metal plate welding. Safety features such as overheat protection, cool air radiator, and VRD function ensure quality and user protection. The welder supports various wire diameters and can be used for welding carbon steel, stainless steel, and more. It comes with a 1-year warranty and additional accessories. The product specifications include dimensions of 35 by 18 by 22 centimeters, weighing 7.29 kilograms, with a vibrant orange color and stainless steel construction. The unit operates at 230 volts DC with a sound level of 52 dB. Additional features like gasless wire welding and its suitability for various welding materials make it a reliable choice for welding projects. The package includes essential welding components and accessories. The HITBOX HBM 1200 is CE certified and recommended for both professional and DIY welding applications. Number 2. HZXVOGEN Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVT250P AC/DC welder is a powerful industrial-grade aluminum TIG welding machine that offers a range of welding options including ARC, AC TIG, DC TIG, and Pulse TIG. It is designed for precise welding of various materials such as steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, with an AC duty cycle range of 80% enabling welding of ultra-thin aluminum plates. The welder features precise digital settings for parameters like pregas time, start current, frequency, and various other settings, allowing for accurate and reliable welding outcomes. The 2T/4T TIG torch control feature and a cooling system ensure user convenience, safety, and efficiency. Additionally, the welder comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, providing customers with confidence in their purchase. The package includes essential accessories such as a TIG torch, electrode holder, earth clamp, tungsten electrodes, and a manual, offering convenience for both beginners and skilled welders. The machine operates at rated input values of AC 220V, 7.8 kVA power, and has various safety features like overcurrent and overload protection. Number 3. ANDELI MIG 270P Pro MIG Welder. The ANDELI MIG 270P PRO is a welding machine designed for welding metal and aluminum. It has multiple functions including MIG, lift TIG, and MMA, stick, welding. This machine operates on a voltage of 220V and a frequency of 50/60 Hz. It is certified by CE and has a protection class of IP21S and insulation class of H. This welding machine is manufactured in mainland China and is suitable for both professional and DIY use. Number 4. HZXVOGEN Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM 200 Inverter 5 is an upgraded 3-in-1 flux core welder that supports flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding processes. With a capacity to handle flux cored wire and conventional electrodes, it is suitable for welding metal parts up to 4.0 mm thick. The machine features a single-knob intelligent control system for easy operation, precise digital display for guidance, and automatic voltage and current control for a smooth arc, making it ideal for welding beginners. Portable and lightweight at 10 pounds, it comes with various accessories and a 1-year warranty for confidence in the purchase. The multi-process welder can handle plates up to 1 to 5 mm thick, with modes for MMA, ARC welding and features such as synergic adjustment control, LED display, and advanced safety protections. With its compact design and user-friendly controls, the HVM200 is suitable for a wide range of welding applications, making it a versatile choice for both DIYers and professionals. Number 5. ANDELI MIG Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 500P PRO is a welding machine designed for industrial usage, with a voltage requirement of 380 V. It is a non-smart device and is certified with CE standards, ensuring safety and quality compliance. Manufactured in mainland China, this model is suitable for welding applications that require a higher power output. With its specified features and brand reputation, the ANDELI MIG 500P PRO is positioned to meet the demands of professional welding tasks efficiently and effectively.